A debate in the salon is commonly low and slow or hot and fast, and of course we're talking about the flat iron. I was taught hot and fast because speed was of the essence. And hey, if that's your MO and if the quality of the hair isn't quite as important, no problem. Crank up the heat, get through it quickly. Now, a new discovery is low and slow will give us the same results and protect the quality of the hair by just slowing down and allowing the heat to penetrate through the hair. Now think about this like cooking food. If you have a steak and it's super hot heat, it's gonna sear the outside, really cook the outside hard, but the inside's nice and cool, which is a great steak. A roast, on the other hand, if you cook it at low temperature, it evenly distributes that heat throughout the piece of meat. So think about that with the hair. Do you want to sear the outside, or do you want the heat more evenly dispersed throughout the hair?